Another question, and I'm happy to answer it. How do we find out which plants we can snip? Well, I don't know. You can probably go online and ask, maybe AI can help you, perhaps. But the way I do it is I look for plants that have a main stalk. Okay, so like imagine a zinnia. When you plant the seed, the little plant comes up and it goes doody 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 doo. Makes that sound. You really can't hear it, but it gets really tall. And as you notice, as it gets taller, it has branches that come out from the sides. Okay, they'll kind of pop out right at where leaves, typically where leaves attach. When you see that, that's an indication that you can take off the top and it's going to force those little side branches to come out. Someone asked me just a moment ago, do you snip Shasta daisies? And I'm like, do I snip Shasta daisies? Maybe I need to snip my Shasta daisies. I never thought of that. So I went and looked. So take a look at this. Here's Ms. or Mr. Shasta, and about an hour ago, there was a bud here with waiting to open into these beautiful daisies. But I came and looked. I never really looked closely at my Shasta. Never paid attention to it. You should always inspect your Shasta. Never. An unintended Shasta is an unattended opportunity. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Look at this. Here's the main stalk, as I was talking about, and here is a side branch right here and right here. So when you snip this, it forces all of these to come up, keeps the plant nice and strong and full. The other question people keep asking is, how do I know when to stop? That's really a personal opinion. Desire? I don't know. Wow, that breeze is awesome. Do it as long as you want to. For me, this time of year is about potential. I like to get these plants super healthy and just really raring to go to bloom. And when I release this thing, when I let go of it, it just goes to town. And there are so many flowers. This also works with pansies, especially pansies. In the winter, if you plant them, winter them over. I don't let any pansy bloom in the wintertime. All I do is snip off the buds. I know a lot of people would cry about that, but look what happens. That plant gets so green, so healthy, so enormous that when I let go of it sometime around late winter, it just is a mass of blooms and on a really, really healthy and vigorous plant. So that is the benefit of snipping the tops. I hope this answers the question. And of course, if it doesn't, I'm right here. Just keep asking, because for some reason I'm glued to my phone today. Lucky you.